इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट बताओ, इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज इन समथिंग बट नॉट स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग. ओके, इंक्रीज इन क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. Quality of life. How increase in quality of life? Improvement in education, health, okay, decline in poverty, decline in inequality, decline in hunger, etc. Okay, so these are basically the areas where improvement takes place. There are the areas where decline takes place. Overall, quality of life improves. Okay, Ganesh is asking what is difference between quality of life and standard of living. Are you asking? Are you thinking what is the difference between standard of living and quality of life? Is it hitting your mind? If it is, congratulations, you are a thinking being. Okay, so I'll come to this in the next concept. Okay, so which concept do you find multidimensional? Economic growth or economic development? Economic development means economic growth plus increase in well-being. So definitely there are apparently two dimensions, but well-being itself is a very multidimensional concept. Get the point? So economic growth is a unidimensional concept, okay, which focuses on which side only? Economic side only, which focuses on economic side only, okay. Not making the purchasing power of person low, but nominal per capita income depicts that the purchasing power of an individual has not actually increased with increase in his income. Okay, it remained consistent, prices went up. It remained consistent, purchasing power, he was having purchasing power of worth 1000 rupees of goods and services. The prices of commodities increased, so he can afford lesser commodities. But purchasing power 1000 का था, 1000 ही रहा. Get the point? ठीक है? It is just like मेरा height 5 feet 9 inches है. Somebody was 5 feet 8 inches yesterday. Today he is 5 feet 10 inches. I cannot say my height decreased. It is his height increased. Get the point? हाँ ठीक है. So where did I stop? What is the last thing I told you? Yeah, it is a multidimensional concept. Okay. Moreover, does it represent only progress in economy, or it represents also progress in society? It in social changes also. So can I say economic development represents progressive socio-economic changes? Yes or no? Yes, it represents progressive socio-economic change. It represents progressive socio-economic changes in the structure of an economy. In the structure of an economy. In the structure of an economy. When I say progressive socio-economic changes, means certain social changes are there and certain economic changes are there. Can you tell me what are the social changes? Reduction in poverty, reduction in inequality, reduction in hunger. Okay, improvement in education, improvement in well-being. They are all basically social changes. What are economic changes? Shift from agriculture to industry, industry to service sector. Okay, shift from manual labor to technology labor, artificial intelligence, arrival of artificial intelligence. Okay, these are all progressive economic changes in the change of economic structure as a whole. Okay, better infrastructure, shift in improvement in infrastructure sector. Okay, better machinery, better equipment. Okay, this is basically progressive economic changes. So together they represent progressive socio-economic changes. Progressive socio-economic